Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 series is shaping up to be one of the most refined flagship lineups the company has ever released. New leaks now suggest that Samsung is putting a big focus on making the phones thinner, lighter, and more comfortable to use, while still keeping the premium feel people expect from the Galaxy S series. These changes may seem small on paper, but in everyday use, they could make a noticeable difference. Let's start with the base Galaxy S26. Earlier reports claimed the phone would measure 149.5 by 71.6 by 7.4 millimeters, but now, Tipster Universe says Samsung has trimmed it down even further. According to the latest information, the Galaxy S26 will actually be just 6.9 millimeters thick. That's not only thinner than expected, it's also 0.3 millimeters thinner than the Galaxy S25. It may sound tiny, but in hand, that kind of reduction can make a phone feel sleeker and easier to grip. As for weight, the Galaxy S26 is expected to come in at 164 grams. That's just 2 grams more than the S25, which is basically nothing. The important part is that Samsung managed to keep the weight almost the same while making the device even slimmer. With so many flagship phones getting bigger and heavier each year, seeing Samsung go in the opposite direction is refreshing. Moving up to the Galaxy S26 Plus, or the S26 Pro depending on Samsung's final naming, the leaked numbers show a similar story. This model is expected to be 7.3 millimeters thick and weigh around 191 grams. These numbers are nearly identical to the Galaxy S25 Fly. That means Samsung isn't adding bulk, even though upgrades in performance and battery life are expected. What makes things more interesting is the comparison to Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 series. Both the Galaxy S26 and the S26 Plus are expected to be over 1 millimeter thinner than the iPhone 17 and 17 Plus. They're also 13 grams lighter. For users who prefer a phone that feels light and slim in the hand, this could be a major deciding factor. Now let's talk about the big one, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung's Ultra phones are known for being big, heavy, feature-packed devices, so hearing that this year's Ultra might slim down is a pleasant surprise. According to the leak, the S26 Ultra will measure 7.9 millimeters thick. That again is 0.3 millimeters thinner than the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The weight is expected to be 214 grams, which is 4 grams lighter than before. These numbers might not seem dramatic, but the comparison to Apple's highest-end model really puts it into perspective. When compared to the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro Max, the S26 Ultra is expected to be 17 grams lighter and almost 1 millimeter thinner. That's a noticeable difference when holding the phones for longer periods, especially for users who worry about hand fatigue or bulk. The push for thinner and lighter devices suggests Samsung is refining the internal layout of the phones, likely introducing more efficient components and improved material engineering. It also reflects Samsung's effort to stay ahead of Apple and other Android competitors by offering premium hardware that not only performs well, but also feels better in the hand. Even though the devices are getting slimmer, there is no indication that Samsung is downsizing important features. The S26 series is still expected to offer upgraded cameras, next-generation chips like the Exynos 2600 or Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, and improved software features with One UI 8.5 or later. Samsung seems to be optimizing the phones rather than cutting corners. As the launch gets closer, more details about battery sizes, camera improvements, and performance upgrades will likely surface. But these early leaks show that Samsung is taking the physical design very seriously this year. Making the Galaxy S26 series both thinner and lighter could give Samsung a significant advantage, especially against the iPhone lineup, where weight and thickness have been slowly increasing. Overall, the Galaxy S26 series looks like it will deliver a fresher, more refined feel without sacrificing power or features. If Samsung continues in this direction, the S26 lineup could end up being one of the most comfortable and well-balanced flagship releases in years.